Ministry of Roads and Highways. Mama officials in Kokajabi to Kwame Danso. Namunko Hadie. The video will be put on Adom Online. We'll put the video on Adom Online. Medebema Aiwa 05 says here or better Facebook. Just have a look at the kwanya yesi ya ye. Okay, so one more ya. Yo, ebu boba o. Yo. You friend see her. And now what do back school? Now what to say? One now call you the Aqualani school. And what to say? What do you could do? You know, then and they say, yeah, then oh yeah, Utia BB, when Tia BB, one I don't ban a compass off an album come on. But answer no sharing so mame. Sir, latest form. Your partner for life. Progress Savings and Loans and Kosonkwa. King City Real Estate. Number one destination for property buyers. And one sober from 05081999625. American Premium Furniture. Where quality sells. Life, enterprise life insurance. Your advantage. I mean Scientific Clinic. Allahu Shafi God is the healer. Lily Sunflower Oil. Tasty food. Happy family. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Tabia Heba Mixture. Your true and authentic herbal medicine. One minute swasinia, ya de na APOSO, ebro and no pay. Come, say morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Bibi abakore.
Adumo, Nasa Ushati, we in Sudi. Up and down, and young color grow. We, you, Jabende, Yakwaba. Akwaba. Kalani school NSEM baby or enough from. Yeah, the matrama my parents need be brave. There are some schools minister parents need be fraka. It says yeah, jinkwala be business, science, any general arts, any visual arts. Or be other subjects no, yina beko yellow. I just so munyina koko can go do for no. It is a ukwa peke first form no. Na e was so beko green. Wo parents e dia ho pepra ye ntentem aboa wo ne nyina no kra wi a wo kokodu a ka cho se school mu hade say general arts e na obeya wo beba gold etiko answer en fa ho say computer na kire say onya onkasisi na wo ba enti e basa obi de ne ba efre chi na ba esa na ama ahadwen and some parents niam kakrakra ye ntoto no ebi se o ma ho bo anso enti entwenkwa akire iti yenhwe na yenkana sana no Reverend Edwin T Boete or chaplain ewo Abri Girls Senior High School medanase nyamisha no na onkan ho ewo ne moa shonko
Pacho Free Senior High School monitoring team muntie monko Afutu Secondary School Wudru school ho ebeje 30 Ghana sefa toshu one toshu na yenje wo Afutu secretary se secondary Afutu we need to take an abetosua, Sukuru Yanjo, and so say free. Once I need 30 Ghana, I'll bet you and Paka, win your baby, that's all about the Obako day by force. Free Senior High School monitoring team. Monko Futu Sec Tech. We need 30 Ghana. Ubetoshua. Wonko Sukunu. And I will need 30 Ghana, I'll bet you and Paka. Oba body ya unya baby na they done but you see here 0302216561 216562 0302216561 say your number so come
it is school in free na board in free
school na dey free
na kwala no mo na egu fam ana na free no beton pabo
e so tompa ba
ansa say enim say niam ye prescribe no kwada no pabo mo hye na say friend na chimota so we are almost secondary schools and senior high schools in no mo hye eno achi na just to shoe 30 Ghana nti say parents ko mo nim say free eti fa case kan kwa na ye ne dey we are 16 14 wa all right.
Yanko. Hello, good morning. Na homa na teko went to me engine so ba. Eti odo obako school and ra. Then na hu ye, then na tey. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Ebu sampa choma minti o.
Yeah, pacho me baby ko school e friend Saint Dominic secondary school or Kowu PPS. But every time you get 200 CDs every time.
Seven fine day.
I'll say a classes fee.
And fee.
Classes fee.
Classes fees. Okay. What's the school they saying? Kowu PPS.
Kowu PPS St. Dominic Senior High School.
St. Dominic Senior High School. Okay. Every time you have 200 Ghana.
200 and send our master school.
Obano what form saying?
Or form 1 or form 2.
St. Dominic, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Kowu PPS.
Kowu PPS.
Okay, but that's it.
Yo.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Minia Benya Apam Senior High.
You?
Na omuko do 100 me ma me kura gas house no ko han die. And the pay off from the squad ko ina sentiment and sending the omuko di last after na omunya o million suda a green cap. So munya a chance kan munya skumo.
Me the okay mentiase.
Me say
Akodi line wo he.
Apam almost a liar down on it. I could answer so or school this week.
And the line that why then say who kotun obi. Ana and nipa do di wanu ye hwe na apese hwe.
Okay.
Nana wakasa wi.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Captain.
Eja. Far from 2 minutes, Pacho Bana wash your phone on my why. I can't smell you and I know what trouble.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
Amish.
Amen. So.
When you first, I am me back up and go to yes, self motivation and on my trip that we have.
I was school bang. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. When to me engineer so teacher motivation finance say it too, baby. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, morning.
Fine morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Yo, Pacho. The Premier Emmanuel. The Premier Emmanuel.
Eja kwesi Mamintio.
Yo, Pacho me da say. Any di mapa wudi amagana my ni bi asman. So uba robo a. Robo di ma fi hon mo any so manya hon mo dia. Oko krobo guest no mo ni school akika hon dia. Ko ah. Nkola no enya baby ta. Me da say.
That's it. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Me didn't Peter Nyako.
Peter Medase.
Me didn't back up to get it. Na nyame ni bibia ko so kama.
Okay.
But me how me say standards no yesi. Eno na mo say opa ato parliament enya hye. It is a type of standards who di bi dia. Problem bi ani ho. Shoe no so mo dey kwa sorry. Eno pani ne e wo ba bibia ko so jojo. Me da no ado ase. Wa ma man chia hwe ye nra. Me da ase.
Yes, we are say. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. 030226561216 Yamfa tu nka ho na Yaba studio. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Bacho na dia nam. Ikasasi akosombo.
Enyo no me da say.
Bacho and then it's 3 days na. Lady Mrs. Sade call mo se ko je prospect.
School bay.
Banya Provo Senior High School.
Okay. Manya krobo.
Bacho.
Okay.
Iti bacho ko ya schedule prospectus no. Almost say no ye home econ. Obey home econ. Iti ase home econ ne visual art no. Omumra November. The menti ase asa hon kwan so na etisa. Banana card ne green. Ase so ko.
Enti why then?
And yes, so November mo no mo beba home econs for ne visual arts.
Auntie, course now okoye no mo pa che so mo ntimi nye no this semester.
Bachelor just this November. Obey home econs.
And so okuta green card.
Bachelor.
Oh, okay. Okay. I feel the Matthias here, but that's it. You're for the very last person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Pacho, like, maybe no, and far way, but me, 2016. And I must say, like, phones be by my far, I feel at the acoustic. But me question, I must say, phones, you remember you. I miss me, my phone, I must multimedia private school fees. Choco school, I must say, at least cell phones.
Now, Unyabi.
But that be almost this year phones number. You call like Ministry of Education. Almost say this year phones number.
Okay. I mean, that was the way you can't free senior high school and almost 7. And that's it. Yamra studio, nothing. Message was some minutes. You must have
Yo, me da say the Bokrata graphic ni eno na yede etwaso and was a special supplement na chese Kofi Anambusumru ya ene wadampa mu a ya hwe nani crunchy
onampem oni ho
o say
onampem
odeko dadakam
on wahwem
some de naba adaka no mo de yense na hode e chese de naba ntine de Ghana flag adra ho
na wahwem
no onimu anke de Ghana flag adra ho
and then sem fa ho
Ghana onu ntine de Ghana flag ebedura dua no ho so onimu anke fa Ghana flag ndra ho
onim
anka nipo ye sa de senka ye besiu no ko ye se busumu ni
yenim se wofa Kofi se be bru se be anya ado wanya ka kwenhye ne ya ka chese na nima bia de aye ntimi mbieso nti owoyi
ebia ne wish
nti we anya file pastor mun kan chese ko hadaka
ebia ne wish ana ko setup
we ka na mo
questions no
e na fie yi na ye monso ne akase ka na fo anya na yi
ye mius na mkutwa to Facebook
there be obi antwa to Facebook
ana Instagram
uhu pa kwesi picture of Facebook
no de chichichi no nkrufo nyai
uhu emi sata
nkrufo nyai
uhu bi me hu bi
me hu bi
uhu bi afa send bi na mhwe
de bi me hu atwam
bi di ho
de tie bia ye de enim se ye de dan se maame awo ne enua no ye nim se na mu ene ye de Ghana flag akekere ho a eda ho no enti ye twa ho hia ene ensem a eka ho the Bokrata di ni nyina ba ewo emu eti we was a special supplement enti wonya bibia efa ne ho efri ni wo mu ne ma ne yere ne dwuma ye mu ni nyina besi na ye yo so the Bokrata graphic de abam ha na ohe enkwada ekura trunk omdo mu school mo je trunk ene mattress ya wo mo di ko school ebi school bag ebo mo chire we do hu se eye boy school pa kokotwa ya St. Augustine's na nkwada no bia omadu Cape na wo mu kra mo trunk de nam kwa kope ba bi ombeda en wadu omufoni aba ni nyina ne say free SHS eba ye yesi amankwada afi wo mu ko school no madoso pa senior high school nkwada wo mu ko woni a eda green na wo mu ekwa kosua de no en wode abase double track system no free senior high school policy no enura ehase na awofo ne asuafo no ebi ani age ebi amfa ho yire bia mu akwada bi wo atwa wo twaye school chusu ye kokodu wono mu a ne house wo kokora no ya print bo hodada ansa na kwambe free aba no beko no ne house obeko dan obeko akodam no ene kwa print bo hodada enti sa akoda no fa hu ye hia bia mu ena schools no bi so no akoda no kokodu ya ne de house dress ama no ene school no providing free na naso watuaka enti okoya ne de ama no enti nkoda ne bia mfa hu ye hia bia mu na ebi nso so okobeko akodu no osime kasa me boda me kwa wa hese ayo dey neno awofo no ni abo abiamti sansam ni nyina esisi enura afei ene woguso awototo se de be ya eniema ebetutomu ye eno graphic the Bokrata no de ode maye enura no ebi eno no today the Bokrata ni and was media men support candidate bia so obi besra me no oba o share dabo prem so piri so ema nipa di na chi ba ye nim bebe bon komo twitwa to TV so social media no eno nche sa meta na chi me de obi obeba bia maginu sansa me ye wo mu nyina agya Jerry John Rollins Jelly Boom eno de ababa to dwa ku ekuro kan Jelly Jelly Boom no de asemia to dwa se NDC amanyokuo no wani e pese gina na ye yi wo mu bi eman bebe frankatufo no obi obeba bi ogina wo tu na eno nche so wota abako bi achi ensisada enu enie ena afesu so yesi nipa bese mpemu numa hansia aduanan num 5645 workers a omi adwuma e wotema nkoa tema kronum enkoa kwame nkroma krom ho no yesi sa nipa ni nyina wo adwuma e ba bebo wo mo na ni nyina ejina wo se hotel industries ya e wo honom sei yesi dodo no a ena ye ba betum sanse bebi a wo nsuo ene nsu a wo mo yusu awie wo se wo siwa lines na emu asisi enti ama uye adwuma hotel a obi dware kra nso nya baabi nko horo ne nya baabi ntene mfa enti ene na ye ba betoto sa hotels ni nyina mu na ama kronumu ammo kese enti se adwuma
so ma me ne Ecovicent asefo na ye PR Roma Ministry of Education e just for them come and watch no pay
Captain na pomo
en kakra na so
oh Captain ho there the other time we share initial view I'm a Jones semester especially when they started double track implementation but initially they didn't
ada wa benya ho na wa frɛ why quickly enra minim se bia mo ye monitoring kakra then na mutimi observe here
right Captain mamincha bio na me fancha ka sepa enfama ye Ghana for na etio especially parents and students of the boat track and feel like by extension a year senior high school education a year monitoring study no Accra girls we na mesato fa a year independent school moko school hono a customer service center yedeje some concerns from parents and students and the Ghanaian public because those all share some few clouds as far as the school placement your concern me war independent square some of the concerns are minya e be say akoda bi beba no or say the placement all well the headmaster na sabi you choose school ni ma you choose school no man afen no aba no hu sampa when you check the choice file you choose that particular school near the man no ne mom no awofo no enim ho hwe no say akoda no so onim ho hwe these are issues you try as much as possible to deal with because we say who feed in the information the mass system no information yaje free awofo no to the headmasters. The headmaster so no this information number into computer there it will just garbage out what you have garbage in the audio shame no and the be dia ba nti say akoda bi eko school or matters of Uganda primary and I said junior high school I was Santa so poku warrior and no and na ehun so kwachu so poku warrior first choice maybe what you KSTS second choice maybe what you or say to third choice any two other schools e ka ho bia. And the same schools no akoda ne betu so no and I say information e dey be dan e FSHS secretariat and I say Ghana Education Service no and no na computer near dey e dey adwuma and dey automatic placement where we do not have any manual necessarily input into a year placement until when they come some of these challenges and answer some of these complaints we find a way to deal with and sometimes we even advise them say this is water and so maybe say no it is not the fault of Ghana Education Service a bit so honmo or the placement the baba bet show no one who say nipa chrono all the 5 options are not one or you see name because of the resource in when any of the 5 resource now kwanya ye dem 5 placement now kwanya ye dem ma no say onkoye on one self placement because as part of our policy guidelines Ministry of Education or Ghana Education Service do not or will not choose any school for any academia or Ghana because we feel say it is the sole prerogative and the sole choice of Akwadano say school will not person ko. Even in the instance all the 5 schools are choosing and want we give you the second option. Say once I go online, the schools that are available with spaces, say choose to school wow. In Kwadani bi ho de baba no say oh me call cafe one and a cafe guy no ahwe mu no yi ba ko de ma. Then after so the parents and the parents will come say in school we no open. So you could see say in a way some of the challenges that man go for be breba a year Independence Square were self-inflicted. It's just say and Kwadano no son their lack of care, if I should put it that way, and then some of these challenges by there were some new concerns too. Ebu how the banobon say the index number no ebia wrong. We say ebi ono nipa na key the information e dey ma computer no. Nti ebia key in one word bia na one number bi na akwa from so kaka. So the akwada na be check the results I want so nti oba near the details ni na a check ni a retrieve the index number na no. And some what me I could check the result. So these were some of the few challenges I Independence Square. But clearly, you could see the commitment and the excitement on the part of the parents and students. So more registration into Kodano Mukuto placement form Oba and one is a headmaster. I cross check results placement results are a year free SHS and Ghana Education Service at their mom. Into the first was a verification process.
Okay.
Verification process and then placement form the man and also company of course school na school no ampa udi ewo enkrata mu say a foul and I say a place where the school more admission letter and we add a prospectus say co normal normal Monday, some of them were able to go to school yesterday. To see say in for and I say your mama at school just to say bye bye to wish them well for their first day for the free SHS education, and more importantly the double track system. By and by, who said normal course year. So generally, Captain, everything is ongoing.
Okay. Yenya problems ba ko na mienu bi ebidim kuta green so be do school ho no yese da bi aje Osamba November menim se monya that problem na.
Well, I think that we've had snippets of information as far as some of these problems are concerned. On the part of the Ministry of Education, we want to deal with such instances on school basis. School will have based on the headmistress and our headmaster, he feels and I say she feels because of organization sake, and Professor Dem Kwadabi a call November, no Dem Kwadabi so starting green, no I can say and Kwadane November no Ebion Beso or Monday Bay General Science General Art and Kwa. Who say in November no when the school is full, the school will be taking only general arts and science. So in the acquire say some pseudo school placement exercise so it was some of the few schools. I don't know. Ministry of Education can deal with it on school basis.
But we are told, sir, after 41 days, they will later go and join one way because second batch. No, we now complete 81 days. Is that correct?
But what I know is the process, and I say, we agree on 41 days. No one train days about it. And we train 40 days, but next year, and the rest of the days ever come about 81 teaching days.
A futu secondary technical, we need 30 Ghana over to shoe. We need 30 Ghana over to for empire, Yanju school.
Captain, no credit, I mean, many pictures from a source from whenever. Say, headmaster on Jessica for 30 Ghana cedis said you can ye. Afinabo non son upper home and as a customer watching or trouble. And see work will also start at GS around 8:30. The car cabin at my middle office. Middle office are the first thing I'm going to do. They say the Ghana Education Service normal Director General, Asobete, Minister of Education. So Asobete said that is what is going on. So we will need to initiate some sort of investigation into whatever is happening now to senior high school.
Pacho, where has been produced a bomb and yes, I said, we need 800, our problem.
Pacho, and also about Masoye, Mr. Matiho, Bibi, and Opeye. I think so produce a boy, Juma. It's good to say some of these things are coming to our attention. But as I said, because Edna was just the first day, as far as the double track in your concern, we are also going to initiate investigations as far as this particular claim is also concerned. For all you know, it might be for a particular situation, not reason, but be for a particular situation, for a particular student or whatsoever. We do not want to conclude now, and we do not want to also hang anybody. We just want to make sure that at least the due process will have to be followed to find out or get the root cause of this particular issue.
All right then. Maminja unemna memfa wenja una wa hwemwe amaye. So whom secondary yan nte say students na kwa over 800. Yes wo mu na nkoye dey binim so fi akiri na bai.
Well, it depends on yes, school no omo hwehwe na say school no facilities available. Possible say be as home senior high school, which I don't know yet. It be just a day school, but because the system probably got information say be mobetimi aposti board said the alcohol no and it be the problem between abasa. However, so don't they can cry no. We may also have to find or as it were initiate investigation into some of these claims here. So if it's not a community day school and I say a school, it is strictly for day students, then it means there's something wrong which needs to be addressed.
Mame now I say as a conversant as a for a PR Roma Ministry of Education. I can't remember no what trouble. Menkasabi, didn't know message. Bon papers in the uncle. You
and your Christian Kofi Agboja and Ewa would that happy birthday. Abuajua goes to Achimota, the board and semi Shasia and Ra. Today the Boka Town so at the Abasa, Ababa, Fin, where we JHS. Na Yaman Adom and Emania Achimota School. Yabomwa na the Boka Town so to us. Yase chira fo bo afu papa esanse wo mo se nipa wo mo awie suku akese e wo Ghana ha ebi ne achimota nyina asaso ye pepepe sunya secondary school ne nkeka ho a wo mo de hye baako sachi opoku so a corporate high flyer e wo international telecommunications adwumam wokọ abrochire UNIMF nyina chira fo de hye e wo hono mo a wo mo nyina ko suku akese enti wanwa sa abuadwa kwa achimota na headmaster pasa odigini dinti last year ye twa ni school nkratam na nanim gu ase afi pasa okosrinti no se chira eye akura aketo chira nya akura aketo chira so chira ye kuro kase pa headmaster no afra senke ye yinadi na afi pasa ogini din a ya wo bogum twagum twatwatwa na chira kuro kuma chira is not a village. Chira eye kuro kese pa enye kuro kuma sa de wo kan na chirafo so sua de akwachire enti nya boajo ankwane akwada watwa ebro so 14 aggregate 14 chirafo ekwa malosi ebi 10 tabre no na nko mutimi kwa chimota na obi a woni preference enti chirafo abu afu papa was our story ho ese wo mu kuro no nya kura se the headmaster ni pedinti enhihye animu opeso ogu kuro na animu asene the find the democrat ansusu ni en wo say se so hwe toto mrebi atwam ho a senior high school nkwada wo mo ko sese no wo madoso pa hiafo manyina ni tidiboa no mani twa ye nko ade a nyame na dom wanko green a okọ yellow enya hwe obenya ba bia ko enti amankwada ndodo akọ animu enu enie ena afi so wo say pilgrims one year a call and cramofo akwantu kronkron ekokosere bone fache no fa edikan no ababedru into the Sheikh ICK na aka ho se wo mo akwa ba obi aho anti obi aho anka etie no find that their mayen daily heritage bi aba and was say aban eba bebubu adan makomako hanan aduasan government yeso ba bebubu 434 structures ewo agbogloshi ebema nipa apem oha enudu nwoche ena wo munya baabi ena esi Amnesty International edin na esi form se abasa na obu se mibu kwada abonten na se mibu beda ha eno mu dia wahi bi no na asase ya de be den no eno ne nsam a Democrats yi so de aba na nipa mpempem a wo mo kwa kohwe Kofianan kambeka se na ninkranchi be wodi na daka no eno na Democrats yi de aba krowo MP ena ono so asuafo apem ene ahasa ene 9304 ena wakwakoye ayede ede ama wo mo se afi bia wo ye free SHS classes ede ama wo mo se de be pre SHS classes ede ama wo mo se de be ya tena wabetena fie no one month wo mo kwakoto school sui ese bibia be koye Ghanaian Times Democrat anu wo ha ena wiase nyina ye jambu sumuru no ewo ha wo krachi ni na wu a ye watade ede ba wa yi ase na unya krachi ni so wo de ba we say straight dress yes suit nya botai enwa ne nama yie na so woni atwa ho hia nyina obi ase straight dress omo nhya Ghana srete ne kabantuma nka ne ye denchi eguso na nka ne nka meme yi awamu enu nye bia yasese de bagredam no yeguso a ye bie na wohwe afuo 7,000 hectares of crops ena nso na twia fa so asani nyina ama akuafuo bi sese wo mo baby wo mo bo wo mo nsa no
watchem 8 afa ne ye bie wano
anti 1,000 hectares ebe de yan kreduan na ne enuane na ye di $2.2 billion ekraba ye no eno mo chiche ya na se de delay mo kraba no aba na tuaka ana oba pa mo kraba aba na tuaka se enuane ne wo he yenim baby ewo ye de na ye duane ne ama bagreda matwi afa so no eti eno Democrat dey abasanso na Democrat Ghanaian Times special pull out wa ye krata ni bia hemu a eno Kofianan samon
na watwa bonjijai
yo matemejai
that's papa e friend no hima sechiwa wenepa but more than national so adomonline.com Circuit City Ventures Limited DBS roofing sheets Ponchon capsules Franco Trading Enterprise Vitamilk and a high five chocomalt one of the so asene a yede fabe wo so ebrel ene anopei ye momodia